Video I'm talking about this particular beautiful project called Gram. I have two very important information that I would like to share with every one of us in this particular video. So if you watch my previous video, you see I say all road leads to 1000 gram token mine. So I'm still on the journey. So in this particular video, I have two important information that I'll be sharing, and if you are managing particular project with me, you just need to watch. So let me quickly show you something now. You could see now that power currently now I'm mining 1 gram, and my GH power is at 105. So if you haven't watched it, watch my previous video. So let me quickly show you the first information. So that is how a lot of people actually sit down and say it's actually become now true for them. So after creating that my particular video, look at what Gram actually sent out now. They say GRM, which is Gram, they say 75% completed. That means these people aren't joking. So let me quickly show you something I said in that particular previous video. So if you haven't watched that particular video, this is the particular video I'm talking about. This particular video I talk about Gram TG and listening price. So I'll help you to drop it in the description of this particular video. Try as much as to watch that particular video. And if you want to start with in this particular project, you can still start for now because I'll be dropping my referral link in the video. So and also I'll be dropping my WhatsApp link in this one and also in the comment section of this particular video if you want to join my WhatsApp group. And don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notifications so you get anytime I upload another new video. So and now this is the second information. If you notice that in that particular video I showed you this particular one that I won 1 gram, that also this is where I claimed my 1 gram, and my mining power that I also increased it by 5%. And I share with you that I'll be sharing with you how I was able to do that, which I'll be sharing with you shortly. So what other people are actually building is actually a solid something, and it doesn't even has to do with a lot of your time for you to actually do it. So when you tap on your gram and you have already start mining, you can only do this particular thing I'm about to share with you just once in a day. So then the following day you'll be able to do it again. So what you just do is that you come to this particular aspect called spin. You come to spin, you tap on your spin, and it is not always that you be lucky. Sometimes you might not be lucky because it's just like a try your luck thing. I've seen countless time that I tried and I got a zero, yes, and sometimes I got way higher. This is so you could see. For me, I don't know if it is for everybody, but I have four spin. So what you just need to do is just tap on that particular first spin. You see, it will, what I won will actually come out. You see I've won 1 gram, so they'll tell you to watch ad. You tap on that particular watch ad for you to watch your ad. So now I've watched the ad. You can see now they say rewarded claim, so that 1 gram. So the ad is not something much, just 15 seconds. So it doesn't cost you anything. So you just tap on the second one. Let me quickly do the rest. Let me see what I win here before I move forward. You can see another 1 gram. You see this is the third one. You can see, and now here now I won 2 gram. That means in total now I won 4 gram now. I'm scared because I do not know what I will actually win in this particular last one, because I want to win. I want to win mining power. I don't know if I will lose, but I just pray I just win that particular one. So let's see. Oh, do you see? I did not win actually 5. I won 3 mining power. So let me quickly do that now. So now let me quickly show you now. If you look at this place, when I was talking, it was 105. Now plus that 3 mining hash power that I won, it is now in 108. So that token is already on sales in the black market, because one of my community members even say she has bought, I think, over 10,000 of that. It is not a financial advice that I should buy and keep, but you can still mine and still get to win and still get to mine a lot of this particular token. You could see my 300 and this thing now. I think later on, when they build something more sophisticated, the amount it is in USDT will actually be showing here. So we don't know what it will actually or what by December, when the listening price, like what they say 0.27. If it is what that one, this one is actually a good sum of money for me. So if you still want to start and key, you can still mine vigorously within the space of this particular 5 months that you have, because I'll be dropping my referral link in the description and also in the comment section of this particular video. So don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notification so that if I upload any other video. Thank you and bye bye for now.